Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming into Ariana Grande, just like every cloud chaser and YouTuber out there. I already put on my foundation. I did a little bit like darker foundation because Ariana Grande is like a little bit darker than me. Ariana Grande is also probably 200 pounds lighter than me, so I don't know how this is going to work out, but I'm going to try and do my best. So I'm going to go off based on this picture. Just for the makeup, for the outfit is a different picture. So I'm gonna start off with the brows first because her brows are really different than mine. Her brows are shorter and straighter, so I'm gonna try to do that with my brows. She usually just wears neutral colors on her face, but it's gonna be a challenge doing her face shape on my face. Ariana Grande is my second or maybe my third favorite female artist. My first is definitely Taylor Swift, but I mean I could have turned into her, but looking at my skin, my hair, and my eyes, I'm nowhere near how the queen looks. Maybe I can turn myself into the man. I don't know. I'm using a really light concealer because her under eyes are usually like really bright and seamless and concealed. I'm really excited to see how her makeup's gonna look on me. I don't think I'm gonna look the best, especially with the eyeliner, because I do my makeup completely different on a regular basis than that. But we'll see how it turns out. So right now I'm going to do the contour, which is probably the most important part of this video. Because like I said, my face is a little bit chubbier than hers. So I'm going to have to contour the heck out of my face. I have a side picture of her and I'm trying to imitate her jawline shape. Her contour is straight down, which is definitely not how I usually do my makeup. Mine, I like it to be like a little bit rounded because I have a round face. So now for the nose. Her nose is smaller and more perfect than my nose, obviously. So I'm going to use this brush right here and I'm going to contour the heck out of my nose and make it a little bit smaller and more rounded on the tip. I'm looking at the viewfinder and I look so bronzy, but it's fine. I saw a meme that said nobody has as much range as Ariana Grande because she looked like every different type of race out there throughout the years. But that's just what happens. Like, I mean, when she was younger, she was a little bit lighter and then she just started tanning. Like, everybody tans. Also, she was really young when she debuted, so people don't know their style and how they want to do their hair and makeup when they're really young. I'm gonna grab a little bit contour shade and I'm gonna imitate her smile lines, which is actually I'll imitate her dimples. She has two dimples, right? Okay, time to do the eye makeup, which I really think that's what's gonna pull the whole look together. Actually, let me bake under my chin over here. Okay, eye makeup. So I'm gonna look really weird and different than how I usually look like because she has eyeliner and like tight line eyeliner. So I think her makeup style kind of makes her eye look smaller than what they are. I usually try to make my eyes bigger. I mean, my eyes are already big, but people usually want their eyes to be bigger, right? Okay, I think I did a pretty good job on the eyeliner. It's really up because it's sponsored by Nike, duh. I'm gonna do my lashes and then my lips, but I really think the ponytail is gonna hold this look together. I really think after I put my ponytail, I'm gonna be able to sing like Ariana Grande. Okay guys, this is my makeup. I really think I did a good job recreating the look. I know I don't look exactly like her right now, but with a ponytail and the outfit, I'm gonna look like a actual lookalike, you know what I mean? So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll put on the outfit and I'll be back. Hey guys! So the ponytail definitely pulled this look together. I have this puffy coat on because she's known to wear puffy coats out and about. I also have this pink jacket, but I found that I saw a picture of her like wearing a gray coat just out and about walking, so I decided to put it on. But honestly, oh my god, the ponytail really pulled this look together. Like, tell me that I don't look like Ariana Grande. I probably look like the Walmart version of her, but I look similar to her, you know what I mean? One thing I want to do is imitate her hairline on the side because her hairline is really perfect and pulled back. So I'm gonna just like, oh god, hold up. What do you think I'm Ariana Grande? I look like just a sad wannabe, you know what I mean? That's the thing, guys. Like, don't dress up like a celebrity and go out in public and try to look like them because that's just sad. That's a loser. Doing this just for entertainment purposes. I'm not gonna go out and pretend like I'm Ariana Grande because that's just weird. But yeah, guys, this is my coat. This coat is really comfy. I'm wearing a black top under it, but you can't see it right now. And I feel like with thigh-high boots, I would really look like her. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you're new here and like this video. If you didn't like it, tell me why you didn't like it, and I'll see you next week. Bye!